Today I'm going to show you exactly how to start Steam in offline mode so you can play your games without needing an internet connection. This is incredibly useful if you're traveling, dealing with unstable internet, or you simply want to launch Steam without it trying to reconnect to servers. The good news is, Steam's offline mode is built directly into the client and only takes a few clicks to enable. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to activate it properly so Steam launches offline every time you restart it. If this tutorial helps you out, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more quick and easy software tutorials. Now let's jump right into the steps. First, open Steam on your computer and sign into your account normally using your username and password. Offline mode must be enabled while you're still connected to the internet at least once so Steam can verify your account and download any required login data. After Steam fully loads, look to the very top left corner of the window and click on the menu labeled Steam. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options. In that list, find and click the option called Go Offline. Steam will show a confirmation message explaining that the client needs to restart in order to switch into offline mode. Go ahead and confirm the restart. Steam will close for a moment and then automatically relaunch itself. This time, it will open in offline mode, which means you can access your installed games and play them without needing an active internet connection. One thing to remember is that not every Steam game supports offline play. Some titles require online authentication or third-party launchers, so if a game doesn't start offline, that's usually the reason. It's also a good idea to launch each game at least once while online before using offline mode, because Steam may need to download updates or verify files the first time you run it. Once everything is set up, you can start Steam in offline mode anytime by simply opening the client again. If Steam ever switches back to online mode, just repeat the same steps. Click Steam, choose Go Offline, and restart the client. And that's all there is to it. Hopefully this guide made the process quick and easy. If it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.